Hello everybody, this is Di Anti-Natalist, and this is a really short video. But I was just recollecting some events throughout my life, and I had wrote something that I'm going to deliver in a video on July 9th. But I'm not going to give it away now. I put it on my Facebook group, Babies Are Not Miracles, and it got a lot of positive accolades and, praise. And so there was one thing. Hey, baby. In case anybody wants to know, this is Seashell. Give me a kiss. Bésame. Bésame. Yeah, she hasn't gotten much bigger. She's around, 30 pounds. She's not very big. She's a sweetheart. Anyway, back to what I was going to say. So today I was recollecting some things from the past, and, over the course of my life, I have, endured many harsh, climate, sensations, as well as every one of you have, whether it's being unprepared and not having a coat or a windbreaker or an umbrella. But over the course of my life, almost 6 decades, a few things are really, really unbearable, and wind is one of them. Combine it with rain and cold, it's just torture. I remember when I was in Toronto a couple of years ago, or last year, I was in a situation where I wasn't adequately prepared. No umbrella or not enough clothing on or layers on or something. And, and I was really uncomfortable. And just the other day, I was out and, I think I was out in the yard or something, and the temperature had dropped quite a bit throughout the day. And, the days are, hot now. I mean, it was probably, 75, 80 degrees today. But, and then at night, it drops. It drops maybe 30 degrees. It's been some really, really cool nights. But anyway, after 6 decades of wind and rain and cold and hot and humid, snowy, just the accumulation of harsh weather, I think it just, it really plagues people, who are maybe over 40, who have had so many bad days in their lives and so many days of unprepared weather conditions, and throw in leaving the window on your car down, getting it rained on. That's real fun, isn't it? Everybody's been there. Everybody's had the wind, on their face, and everybody's been rained on. Even a royal has been rained on. So don't wish for a better life or a richer life, or one that's involves more money, a bigger house. Wish for no life. Only not being born is our salvation. Not being born would have been a privilege for all of us. So none of us, not even a royal, is privileged once we are placed into existence.